is haunted.
Ain't got no Wi-Fi.
Go Pokemon. Let's go back to that.
Let's go back to that.
Let's go back. Maybe there's some interesting thing.
Okay, just dedicate something. Yes. This PG no, he got a lot of Pokemon. Let's catch it. Yes. Oh my gosh. No, oh my gosh, my cell phone dies.
Let's go.
We'll go tracking our cell phone. Okay.
Okay, so let's go by ourselves. Okay, so, oh, you see there's a beautiful room.
No, that's too dirty.
Okay. Oh, you see there's a garden.
That's too much that flower.
Okay, so what do you want?
Look, there's a water.
Okay, so let's go. Oh, it's too smell. There's too many old clothes. Oh, okay, so you go by yourself. Bye.
Oh, there's a lot of snow. Oh, this house is really haunted.